After all day of driving, we're here now at our first hotel in Lobozezi, Czech Republic.
Here we stay sa Stadium Hotel. Look, nandito kami sa Lobozezi. Maganda siya. This is really cheap. 105 for 5 of us. At may free breakfast pa. At okay din ang breakfast niya. May chorizo, langgonisa. Magdala ka na lang ng rice. Okay na. So okay to. Itong Stadium Hotel dito sa Lobozezi Hotel here in Lobozezi. Ganon eh. If you are on the way to Prague, maganda na rin siya, di ba? For 5 person, 105. But breakfast.
A few moments later.
Ayan, nakaka-rest na kami after all day driving. January 1 pa naman New Year's. And here's our hotel. Maganda rin naman ang view niya. May view siya ng mountain view. Actually. So nice here in Lobozezi, Czech Republic.
One eternity later.
Parang naman po parang tulungan. Ay, nakatulungan. Breakfast, ang daming bata. So, queue kami para sa breakfast. Free breakfast to. Murang-mura lang siya. Diba? So, maliit. Free breakfast sa halagang 100. Meron kayong 5 breakfast na kasama. O, diba?
It's not bad, the breakfast actually. It's really good. They have savory and also sweet.
1, 2. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain ng breakfast. Ayan, tapos na yung mag-anak. Show you yung breakfast nila. Look. Meron pa silang cake, oh. There's a different cake. Ayan, palaman. Fruits. Salad. Wow, I love this one. Ayan, chorizo. Same like in the Philippines, langgonisa. May itlog pa, oh. Yes, yummy. At may beans, pork and beans. O, diba? Di na masama. Ayan, tapos na sila mag-breakfast. May uwi pa yan. May uwi pa yan.
A few moments later.
Fishy!
Ayan, so yung check out kami. So, we're on the way to Prague na. So, nice breakfast. And also good fries. Thank you so much.
So, check out. Ready to go. Ayan, we're on the way to Prague.